1. Check for malware. Is your computer sluggish? It might be malware. Run a full system scan with your antivirus software to check for threats. Removing these can free up resources and speed things up. Give your PC a fresh start. Do update drivers. Outdated disk drivers can slow down your computer. Let's fix that quickly using Driver Booster. First, download official Driver Booster website. Open Driver Booster and click on the scan button. After the scan is complete, you'll see a list of drivers that need updating. Click on the Update Now. 3. Adjust virtual memory settings. Is your computer struggling? Let's adjust virtual memory. Right-click this PC, select Properties, then Advanced System Settings. Under Performance, hit Settings, go to the Advanced tab, and click Change. Optimize your virtual memory for better performance. 4. Run System File Checker, SFC. Is your computer acting up? Run a System File Checker. Open Command Prompt as an administrator, type SFC, rar scano, and hit Enter. This will fix corrupted files and improve performance. FIOPS Upgrade RAM. Is your computer running low on memory? Check your RAM usage in Task Manager. If it's high, consider upgrading. More RAM means better multitasking and performance. Boost your system today. 6. Consider hardware upgrade. Is your hard drive slowing you down? Upgrade to an SSD for faster read and write speeds. This simple switch can make your computer feel brand new and significantly boost performance. Upgrading your hardware can seriously boost performance and enhance your overall experience.